Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to simply go ahead and come down below right here, right click on your Windows Start menu, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to Settings. The next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to Apps. Click on Apps right here. It's going to take you to all apps that you have on your Windows PC right here. So next thing you want to do is to click on the particular app that you want to uh, delete or uninstall from your Windows PC. So I'm going to simply scroll down right here and then select on the particular app that I want to simply delete on my Windows PC as an example right here. So I'm going to scroll down. So this particular app right here, Extender. So I'm going to delete it. I'm going to select on the app. The next thing we want to do is to click on uninstall. Then here, make sure you click on uninstall and allow the uninstall to be picked. And this is going to pump up right here. Click on next. So you can see right here, the app uninstall has been started, just like what you see right here. So what you need to do is to make sure that everything uninstall completely. And with that, it's just like what you see right here. Just like what you see right here, everything has been completely uninstalled. Next thing we want to do is to click on finish right here. And here we go. You can see that the app is no longer found right here. It's that simple. So this is how to delete or uninstall any apps on your Windows PC. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.